Simple instructions. The order of instructions to do a task is important. Let us see the sequence of instructions to sharpen the pencil and write it in the notebook. Step 1. Take a sharpener, a pencil, and a notebook. Step 2. Insert the pencil in the sharpener. Step 3. Rotate it clockwise. Step 4. Write "Hello World" with the pencil in the notebook. Every task, from cooking to making rockets, has a sequence of steps that need to be followed. To do any task, follow these steps. List the main steps of the task. Divide each main step into smaller steps. Follow the sequence of steps. Let's take an example to make a fruit salad. First, list the main steps. Step 1. Arrange fruits. Step 2. Cut fruits. Step 3. Add ingredients. Step 4. Serve the salad. Now divide these steps and list the smaller steps. Step 1. Arrange fruits. Step 1A. Think of fruits you want to use. Step 1B. Sort and keep them in a plate. Step 2. Cut the fruits. Step 2A. Wash the fruits with clean water. Step 2B. Peel the fruits if you want to. Step 2C. Pick a knife and cut them into cubes. Step 3. Add ingredients. Step 3A. Add salt to taste. Step 3B. Squeeze half a lemon. Step 4. Serve the salad. The process of completing one step and going on to the other is known as stepwise thinking. Let's look at another example, planning a birthday party. You have to plan and organize a birthday party. How will you organize things in proper order? To organize a birthday party, follow these steps. Step 1. Make a list of family members and friends to be invited. Step 2. Decide the time and place for the party. Step 3. Inform family members and friends about the party place through phone calls or emails. Step 4. Greet the guests with love and warmth. Step 5. Start and enjoy the party. If you miss one step or do not write the steps in the correct order, the output will not be what you want it to be.